we're going to enter a time together of silence, a time for meditation, to enter the silence. So I'd like to invite you to take a moment, uncross your legs and arms, get comfortable in your seat. Take a deep, deep breath. We're going to enter that silence together because inside of you and inside of me there is a quiet place. So when you're comfortable, allow your eyes to gently close. Allow all tension to leave your body. There is a place of hope in you, a place of hope in me, a place of peace that the external world cannot touch, a place of love where every face wears the smile of the divine, a place of joy where we remember who we truly are, children of the universe. Divine mind. This is our source of joy today and every day. Find that place in you. Breathe deeply the everlasting presence. Breathe deeply that everlasting presence of hope and peace and love and joy. And always, always listen for spirit.